Saan ang pangalan mo? Lagay mo dito.
Yung Q. Yeah, where's your pen? Please? Please, Grandma.
Yung kamay mo. Tignan ko.
Jay, don't be baliktad.
Bakit? Huwag mo lagyan ng tuldok, ah. Nada. Ganito niya. Akin na yung kamay mo.
It's okay, it's okay. Jilana, focus. Focus. Look at Grandma. Well, look at Grandma.
Ganyan ay. Jilana. Puro kapital naman ang pinag-aano mo eh. It was an A. That's A.
Come on now.
Kapital naman ang gusto mo na A. A. Oh. Ganito ang paggawa mo ng A na yung small. Yung anak ni A. Ganyan yung anak niya.
Baby A.
Baby. Wait. Ito yung baby ni baby. Okay, oh, A. Ganun. A. A. Ganyan, oh. A. Oh, there's not what's an A? Akin ang kamay mo. Okay. I'm going to try the A.
Okay, put your hand. Grandma can help your hands now.
Sige. A, marami.
Jilana, you're changing the topic. You're not focused.
I can't do this.
You need to focus.
I tell you what. Akin na. No, I don't want to write my name.
Huwag ka na nga bumili ng regalo niya sa birthday. Write your name.
Ano yan?
Practice.
What's your name?
Jilana. Hindi ka mag-hotdog, ah. No iPad. You have to write your name really, really nice. Or else you're gonna lose all your stuff. You have to write your name, anak. So you know when you can write in your
A. Like that. N. Oh. Tama na. A. A. Ganon din. Yan. Oh.
Oh, wow. Good job. Do it again 10 times.
Ganon i-practice mo na.
Jilana.
Wait, diba dyan?
Jilana.
Surat mo ulit. Akin na yung kamay mo. Akin na yung kamay mo.
Iniba niya usapan. Jilana, focus.
Akin na.
Excuse me.
Naku, nag-aaral si Tata nang nagtutuko sa akin.
Kaya nga nahirapan. Ayaw makinig.